In this problem, we will solve the equation x plus xy plus y is equal to 16 for x and y, two non-negative integers. So how we will do? Of course, we will try to factor our expression. And here to do it, we have here x plus xy plus y. And this we can find it in the product x plus 1 times y plus 1. And here, if you develop, you will get xy plus x times 1, which is x, plus 1 times y, which is y, of course, plus 1 times 1. And here you see we have our expression x plus x, y plus y plus 1. So in order to factor our expression, we must add 1 to both sides. So considering our equation here, we add 1 here and here. So we will have x plus x, y plus y plus 1 is equal to, and here we add 1 to the other side, 16 plus 1, meaning that we have x plus x, y plus y plus 1 is equal to 17. And since x plus xy plus y plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 times y plus 1, our equation becomes x plus 1 times y plus 1, of course, equals 17. But 17 is a prime number, and also x plus 1 and y plus 1 are positive integers, since x is a non-negative integer and y is non-negative integer. So from here we will have x plus 1 is equal to 1 and y plus 1 is equal to 17, or of course x plus 1 is equal to 17 and y plus 1 is equal to 1. Of course, from here, cancelling 1, we will have x is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, and y is equal to here 17 minus 1, of course, which is 16. And the second option is here x is equal to 17 minus 1, which is 16, and of course y is equal to, of course, cancelling 1 minus 1 is just 0. So our equation has two solutions, x equals 0 and y equals 16, and the second solution, x equals 16 and y equals 0. Or we can write the solutions like this. First solution 0, 16. And the second solution, of course, 16, 0. And this, of course, concludes our problem.